Most people think the biggest cost of their 9 to 5 is the 40 hours a week they're trading for a paycheck. But after helping hundreds of people leave their jobs to build remote cleaning businesses, I've realized the real cost is way higher than you think. Your job is costing you money, health, opportunities, and years of your life that you'll never get back. So today I'm breaking down the hidden costs that nobody talks about and why staying in your job might actually be the riskiest decision you're making right now. So let me start with a personal story. When I was working in corporate America, making over $100,000 per year, I thought I was doing well. I had a good salary, benefits, the whole package. But here's what I didn't realize I was losing. The income ceiling trap is real, right? Your salary caps your earning potential. No matter how hard you work or how much value you create, it's capped. I could work 60 hours a week, generate tons of revenue for my company, and still get the same paycheck, plus maybe an annual 3% raise if I was lucky. So let me show you the opportunity cost math that nobody talks about. Every year you stay at a $60,000 salary instead of building a $10,000 to $20,000 per month business, you're potentially losing hundreds of thousands of dollars in potential income. So here's what this looks like over 5 years. The salary path shows modest increases. Maybe you get to $75,000 after 5 years if you're lucky. The business path shows exponential growth potential, right? $10,000 per month in a year becomes 20, becomes 40 per month as you scale. And the difference over 5 years, the salary path gets you to maybe $350,000 per total. The business path will get you to over $1 million. That's hundreds of thousands of dollars lost in income by playing it safe. But here's what's even more powerful. Business ownership creates real wealth. A $10,000 per month cleaning business isn't just income. It's a sellable asset that could be sold for hundreds of thousands of dollars down the line. Your job doesn't have equity, doesn't have asset value, and doesn't have any wealth creation. Let me share a student example. Kevin was stuck at $65K in a corporate salary with no real upside. He hit $10,000 per month in his business in under 4 months. That's an extra $55,000 per year he'd never see from his corporate job, no matter how hard he worked. And now he gets all the upside for all the months to come as he continues to grow his business. Now let's talk about the costs that nobody calculates: your health and your time. The stress of a chronic job that you hate compounds over the years. It will literally destroy your health. And for analytical people and overthinkers like me, it's probably even worse, right? Because you're stuck in systems you can't control. You're watching inefficient processes you can't fix. You're dealing with decisions made by people who don't understand all the details. It's literally mental torture. I remember laying awake in the middle of the night with work problems that I personally couldn't solve, realizing I was wasting my brain on someone else's problems instead of building my own future. And that's when I realized I had to own that and I had to make the change. And to me, the health impact is real, right? Chronic stress creates sleep issues, weight gain, anxiety, depression, high blood pressure, heart disease. You'll spend thousands of dollars in future medical bills from being miserable 40 hours per week. The financial cost of job stress is massive. I don't think anyone talks about it. And then there's the time freedom cost, right? Your job controls your schedule completely. You miss kids' school events. You can't take vacations when you want. You need permission for basic life activities, right? You're trading your autonomy for a paycheck. And on top of that, if you do any kind of commuting, let me do a calculation that might blow your mind. 1 hour each way equals 10 hours per week, 520 hours per year, 20,000 hours over a 40-year career. That's 2.4 years of your life sitting in traffic, making someone else rich. The remote advantage changes everything. I manage my cleaning business in under an hour per day from home. I get all that time back to invest in my health, relationships, and building more wealth. My reality now is I'm working 5 to 10 hours per week on my cleaning business that generates over $40,000 per month. I can have breakfast with my girlfriend every morning. I don't ask for permission off on a random Tuesday afternoon, and I'm building something that's 100% mine. That's the difference between owning your time versus renting it out. By the way, if you're ready to stop trading your time for money and want to build a remote cleaning business that generates over $10,000 per month in 120 days or less, click the first link in the description to learn more. Now let's talk about the biggest lie we've been told: that jobs are secure and business is risky. The data shows us the complete opposite. Jobs are not secure. You can get laid off or fired or downsized at any time with zero control. When it happens, your income drops to zero immediately. You have no say in the decision, no control over the timing, and no backup plan. Look at COVID. Millions of corporate workers lost their jobs overnight. You can look at AI. People are going to be losing their jobs very, very suddenly. The secure jobs disappear. And one thing that you know is going to keep constant is people are going to need their houses cleaned. So here's the real risk comparison, right? A single income source from a job means 100% of your income depends on one company's decision. Multiple recurring clients, on the other hand, means losing one client isn't 100% income drop. It's probably less than 5%. And let me share with you a student example. So Jess is at $15,000 per month with over 25 recurring clients. If a couple of them moved out the same month, her income would drop about $1,200, but she still has $13,000 plus coming in. If you compare that to a job where you have $5,000 to $7,000 per month, that will instantly go away, right? So if you have this in place, you can protect yourself in the event if anything happens with job security. So why do people avoid starting their own business? To me, it's fear of unknown, fear of judgment, temporary fear of discomfort. But to me, the real failure is spending 40 years making someone else rich while your dreams die slowly. And here's what I've learned from helping hundreds of people make this transition. The people who are winning right now are not the ones playing it safe in their corporate jobs. They're the ones who decided to build something that actually gives them freedom. So if you're a person who loves systems and predictability, a remote cleaning business is probably the perfect model for you, right? Because it's systematic, it's scalable, and it's based on recurring revenue you can predict and control. And here's the recession-proof factor. When the economy gets tough, busy professionals cut subscriptions like Netflix, dining out, luxury items. They're not going to cut house cleaning because it's essential to their lifestyle. Demand for cleaning services will not go down during tough times. As people get busier, they're trying to make more money and they will want their place clean. The real risk is betting your entire financial future on one company's decision, especially with AI, that you don't control. You're putting all your eggs in one basket and hoping nothing bad happens for 40 years. And let me show you something most people don't understand about business ownership: the compound effect. Every system you build, every client relationship you create, every process you optimize compounds over time. In a job, you start from zero every day. Your work doesn't build equity for tomorrow. In business, everything compounds. The client you get today pays you for years. The system you build today saves you time forever. The reputation you build today brings referrals for decades, right? So my cleaning business isn't just generating 40K plus per month. It's actually an asset that could be worth $500, $1 million one day if I decide to sell it. My old corporate job, that had zero asset value, zero equity, zero compounding effect. So let me paint you a picture of what real freedom looks like, because I think people have the wrong idea when I say freedom. Freedom isn't just about the money. To me, it's really about the control. You have control over your time, your decision, your future. When I was in corporate, I made decent money, but I had zero control. Now I make more money and I have complete control, right? I can travel for weeks while my business still runs and doesn't fall apart. I can invest in opportunities when they arise because I'm not locked into someone else's schedule. I can spend time with my friends and family when they need me because I own my own calendar. But here's what's really powerful. I can reinvest my profits to build more wealth. Instead of getting a 3% raise, I can double my business income by expanding to new markets. Instead of hoping for a promotion, I can promote myself by building better systems. So what do you do with this information? To me, first calculate the real costs. Add up your salary, factor in the opportunity costs, include the health costs, and calculate the time you're losing. The number will probably shock you. Second, understand the risk of staying might actually be higher than the risk of starting. You're betting 40 years of your life on someone else's decisions ultimately. To me, that's not security, that's dependency. And third, if you're going to make a change, do it systematically. You don't have to quit your job tomorrow, but you can build a business on the side. You can prove that the model works for you and then transition when the numbers support it. The students who succeed are the ones who treat this like a business and not a hobby, even if they're doing it on the side. They follow systems, they take action, and they don't let fear make their decisions for them. Your 9 to 5 is costing you more than your time. You're losing money because your income is capped. Your health is deteriorating because of the stress. You're losing opportunities because you can't control your time. The real risk is staying stuck while the years pass by. The people who are winning right now are not playing safe in their corporate jobs. They're the ones who decided to take control and build something that actually gives them freedom. And if you're an analytical person who loves systems and predictability, a remote cleaning business is probably the perfect model for you. Now, if you want my complete system for building a remote cleaning business from 0 to 10K per month in 120 days or less while keeping your job, click the first link in the description to learn more.